A lot of discussion can be carried on discussing as whether breast milk is ideal for a child's health. What difference can it make to a child's health if he or she is given formula or tinned milk? It goes without saying that mother's milk is best for the baby. It contains many natural ingredients that are helpful for a child's development. It has been proven that mother's milk is the best milk available for the baby. Mother's milk is the gift of nature, and anything natural is of course good. Breastfeeding baby. There are many scientific reasons behind breastfeeding. Many complex fats are found in abundance in breast milk. These fats are necessary for the development of the brain, and it does have positive effect the child's intelligence. According to the researches that are carried out regularly, it has been noticed that babies who are breastfed have low tendency to fall ill during the early months than the babies who drink formula milk. Breast milk also develops immunity power. Babies who are breastfed regularly are less prone to infections. Healthy breastfeeding. These babies do not require other supplements to stay healthy and fit. When the baby is fed with mother's milk first, the formilk comes which quenches the baby's thirst. After that the hindmilk starts to flow, which has all the nutrients that is essential for the baby to stay healthy. The hindmilk is more filling and appetizing than the formilk. They then do not require any added supplements, as they have already got the required dose from their mother's milk. Feeding the baby is also beneficial for the mother. A closeness and bonding is developed between the mother and the child. Every time the baby is fed, it feels the mother's presence, and this helps in developing emotional security in the child. The mother is also rest assured that she is feeding her baby with the best milk that is available. The feeling of satisfaction is also developed. Physical contact between the mother and the child is also developed. Physical as well as emotional security is essential for the proper development of the child. Healthy breastfeeding the baby is a lot easier than feeding with formula milk. There is no need of sterilizing the bottles and mixing of milk. Breast milk are always ready and sterile. We don't need to warm them up or cool them down. There is another important reason behind women preferring breast milk over formula milk. Women tend to lose weight if they breastfeed their child. The risk of breast cancer also reduces if breastfeeding is carried on. A doctor can be consulted if breastfeeding is posing to be a problem. Some tend to develop sore nipples while breastfeeding. This happens mainly because the positioning of the child is not correct. If the child is not held properly, then he or she is unable to get milk and thus stays hungry. The baby should suck the nipples properly, which will ensure proper flow of milk, and soreness of the nipples will also reduce. Bottle feeding should not be encouraged as they are easier to suck, and this leads to improper sucking of the breast nipples.